Alright, Joms TV Media on a beautiful Sunday morning. We're on our way here at the Blue Bay Walk parking for the Distinguished Gentleman Drive. Oh, diba? Sobrang solid nitong event na to because you're going to see classic old cars. So dun sa mga mahilig sa mga old school cars like from the 40s, 50s, 60s. Yan. This is episode. We dedicate this episode to you. And ayun, may dalawang Volkswagen. And so this is dito yung initial this is where it's going to be. Tapos tatakbo na dun sa kabilang area, which is the dun sa may, tapos we're going straight to Circuit Makati. Yun, mamaya siguro mga 8 PM. Alright, so please like and subscribe this channel so we could create and visit more events like this. Alright, thank you very much, have a great day, God bless. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Let's go. Oh, by the way, Become Legendary pala kasama ko. Ayun, no? Si Mr. Ray. Si Ray Caru. Ayan, no? Ayan, may dalawang Volkswagen. Very nice. Si Miss Cassie is one of the ating friends na na-feature sa ating channel. Alright guys, just to give you a little bit of yung makikita nyo today. So we have, eto na. So of course, shout out kay Miss Cassie tsaka kay Sir SO Films. So ito yung mga na-feature natin. Guys, solid yung camera nito.
Yung team ng Meet.
So ano yan? Parang vintage. Ayan guys, so tinan nyo. Ay, solid oh.
Pinabagay sa pinabagay sa kita.
Ayan yung Vox. Ito, if you remember, ito yung na-feature natin na kotse ni Miss, si Sir Neil. Sir Neil, good morning. Kamusta po? Welcome to our channel. Thank you for having us, sir. Tapos ay, yan, Volkswagen. Ano masasabi mo, Sir Ray?
Kaya pala, okay lang na hindi ako mag-car wash, no?
Grabe, ganda. First time mo ba to?
Sa Distinguished.
Oo, first time mo? O, parehas pala tayo eh. First time. Hello sir, good morning po.
Pansin ko lang, under tayo.
Hi sir, good morning. Kamusta po? Welcome to my channel po. Joms TV. Sir Robbie. Ayun yung kanyang Volkswagen. Sir, to 1969. Ang ganda. Ito rin, no? Ganda nung guys. So first time. Sir, first time niyo po dito? Second time na.
2022. Skip ako ng 23-24. Sabay sa out of the country.
Okay.
Pero, we're back. Basta available naman.
That's nice. Ayun, we're also excited kasi first time din namin. Although, nakilala na namin si Sir Darwin. One of our na-feature namin in our channel. Sir, later po. Let's see you. Nice meeting you po. Si Ray po pala of Become Legend.
Ano yung nyo?
Alright guys, and dito na dumating na si Sir Don De Jos. He's one of members ng Lancer Backstyle Pilipinas. Ayan, Sir Don. Sir, morning! Guys, tingnan nyo, yung linis oh. Kuya, ano masasabi mo sa mga kotse?
Maganda. Matitibay eh. Matitibay pa.
Mga luma na, no?
70s pa?
Yes, sir. Tapos ito, 80s. Ang kotse ni Sir Don. Hello po, sir. Sir Orly, good morning po. Grabe. Guys, tignan nyo yung kotse ni Sir Orly, oh. Ano to? Ay, may table, sir. Grabe, solid. Tapos ayun, may ano rin. 12 volt ba yan, sir?
Ayan ang inverter.
Ah, may inverter. Grabe, galing. Galing, sir. Sir Orly, maraming salamat po. Thank you po. Thank you. Ganda. Ganda. Naka-white side. Ano masabi mo, brother? Paganda ng paganda, no?
Hindi kasi everyday na makakita ka.
Matatanda pa sa'yo, no? Oh guys, ito yung na-feature natin, si Sir Johnny Ong. Grabe, ang ganda, oh. Ito pa isa. Hello, sir. How are you, sir? Good morning po. Oh guys, andito na is one of the organizer, si Sir Darwin Angeles. Okay, naka-uniform talaga, sir. Oh guys, Mr. Manny Martinez. Hello, sir, good morning. Yes, sir. Hi, sir. Morning po. Apache na gulong. Grabe guys, solid, oh. Sir, good morning po. True wag eh. Grabe. So another convertible na box na 1303 or 2. Ayan. Hi sir, good morning. Ang gaganda. Boss Ray, ano masasabi mo?
So may dito na.
Sige sir. Up. Hi sir, morning. Happy solid. Guys, 22R Queen side.
Kaya yan. Yung original.
Yes, Sir Jess. Hello, sir. No problem po. Sige po. Solid.
Nasubukan mo yung gano'n?
Brother, ano masasabi mo sa mga coaching nakikita mo?
Andito po yung mga coaching pinapangarap po ng lolo ko. At nagkaroon po siya. May balak po akong magbuhay ng Lancer na bar type.
Yan. Abangan natin yan, ha? Baka pwede vlog yan, ha? Sir? Nakaitim lang ako. Hi, Sir Ilak. Sir, kamusta? Good morning. Guys, marami pang dumarating. Expected is 50 cars at naka-aircon si Sir. Ganda ng kulay. So, oh man. Nice. Ganda ng mga mini boys. Sir Kenneth. tunog. Of course, Sir Kenneth. Sir, morning. Cold to. Sir, iba na naman yan ha. Long time no see, sir ha. Very nice, sir. Very nice. Sir, parang bukas pa yung pinto.
Bukas ko ba?
Yun. Okay. Thank you, sir. Cold galat. Isa yan sa mga gusto kong kotse pa. Pag binuo, yan, Lambda, yan. Ito, it's a Mitsubishi fanboy, oh. Grabe, solid. Ayun, ito na, dumating na yung mga participants. And may iniintay pa tayo kasi ang estimated is 51 cars. So this is the Vox lineup. Solid. Hi sir, morning. Very nice. Grabe. Wow. Very nice. Ganda. Mami, oh. Hindi ba naalala to? Very nice. Hindi mo ba nabimiss si Richmond? Very nice. Guys, check this out. Wow! Saan to? 1200? 16, sorry pala. Dual ka. Oh nga, no? Ayun, no? Grabe. Saan ito? May aircon?
Meron.
Kasi may compressor, eh.
Oo, meron.
Oh, guys, tignan niyo yung ano ni Sir, oh. Very nice. Tapos, sir, yung distributor mo, gumagana pa talaga?
Oo. Pag nakuha niya, i-start ng konti.
Asan na, sir, yung fuel line mo? Ay, ito pa rin.
Hindi. Ang fuel line natin, dun, naka-directly na sa...
Sa carb.
Sa carb.
Oh, yes, sir. Oh, kasi nga, dati nandito, di ba, sir?
Ang fuel pump nito, nasa harap. Electric na.
Okay.
Dito dati yan, original.
Grabe. Guys, so... Ay, nako, very nostalgic yung kotse. O, mami, oh, namimiss mo ba yung Beetle mo? Very nice. So may aircon si sir. Solid. Guys, I'm with Sir Robert. Ito yung box niya. Na 1303, nakaparehas nung kay Cassie. Ayan. Kaya lang, convertible yung kay Sir. No, sir? Convertible po, yung sa inyo.
Pero convertible din yun.
Sir, ito sir, yung kay Cassie. Tapos ito, 1302 na sir. Oh. Grabe. Guys, ito, mas luma to, no sir? 40, 50, 56. Ito yung kay Sir Ilyak Diaz. Grabe. Saka banana type pala sir yung mags mo, no? MP. Grabe. Ito, grabe to. Sir, ito, anong year po ito?
Ito, mas, ano to,
72. Sir, ito yung war type, war Beetle. Tama ba?
Oh,
Ito, no, sir.
pero iba pa yung ting talaga na.
Yung ting, oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir, Hitler.
Ang ano nun, ang fender ng bilog.
Ay, yes, sir.
Mas luma.
Mas luma. Ito, square na, sir. No? Very nice. This is a car show talaga. This is a car meet. that you want, if you're a car enthusiast. Hello ma'am, good morning. If you're a car enthusiast, this is the car meet that you wanna attend to, because there's a lot of story, history behind it, and you get to meet a lot of cool people, especially those sila sir na who really knows about their cars. Grabe, galing. Check this out. Solid, oh. Alfred Motors. So, hello sir, morning. Solid, oh. Anong Ray? Ayun po. Guys, ewan ko, Corvette ata yun eh. Parang Corvette, no? Oo, Corvette yata. Na Malibu. Hindi, di ako sure ha. Pero grabe. So kung gusto nyo talaga, if you're car into Studebaker, grabe, fair lady. Solid, oh. Fairlane. Oh man.
Gamit na si Rizal, brother.
Oh guys, check this out. Di ko alam kung anong kotse to, pero grabe, man. Solid Ford car. Hello sir. Solid. Tangin. Ano? Solid ba? Road legal yan, brother.
Anong kotse yung sa harap?
Ford. Hi sir. Morning. Sir. Solid, oh. Sir Diego. May pamalita si sir. Grabe. May payong, self-sustaining. Grabe sir, sobrang iba, lakas ng dating. Oh, ito sir, ayan oh. Okay. Very nice. Ito legal sir, legit na from Honolulu eh, no? Kasi beach car. Kinalawang na doon sa tabing dagat.
Ito, one of one.
One of one. Solid. Iko. Kaya daw binili tong box dahil sa payong.
Dapat gawin mo parang Rolls Royce dito.
Hi, Mr. Rep Bangsil in the building. Hi, sir. Grabe. Guys, preview lang to ha. Kasama ko na si, of course, the one and only Sir Don De Jos. Tingnan nyo, punas lang daw yan ha. Grabe. Ito, one of the cars na gusto natin ma-feature on our channel because yung pagka-build niya. Sir Don, maraming salamat talaga. As always, talaga, solid. Yan, siset na natin. Abangan nyo, i-feature natin Sir Don. Magsiset lang ang schedule kasi medyo busy si Sir lately. Solid. So, Sir, pag nakasakay ka ba dito, hindi nagbabago yung bumabalik sa dati? Hindi naman. Pero Sir, original engine pa to?
Original engine.
Shit, man. Solid, oh. Grabe. Oh, pati busina. Solid. Very nice. Grabe. Very nice. Ford. Solid, oh. Ito Hawaiian naman. Hawaiian inspired. Grabe. Alright, yung susunod na mangyayari, pupunta na tayo sa Circuit Makati for the breakfast and lunch. So ito na nga yung mga kotse yung kasama by age. Yan. So palumaan to. Depende sa year model. Depende sa yan, palumaan. Ayan na. Of course. Hi sir. How are you po?
Hi.
Good to see you po again, sir. Yan. Ito na by age. Grabe. Hi, sir. Guys, Sir Johnny, oh. Hello, sir. Morning po. Yan, by age na, sir. By age.
Buti lang, may tutulo tayo.
So, mga baby, So, ang age, sir, sa kotse po, no? Hindi sa kotse daw. Obvious.
Ibig ko sabihin, dapat si Sir Manny ang dulo.
Ayan, Sir Manny. Sir, by age daw eh, no?
By age, mauna na
Okay. Solid. Grabe guys, so ganun naman to. Special pass. Man! So by age daw, so mamaya pa tayo. Ay, sorry sir. Ay, mami. Sir, solid talaga meet mo. Thank you very much. Guys, Mr. Darwin Angles as always. Sobra, thank you. Sir Marco. Sir, by age ba ng car? Hindi ng tao. So, dito.
By make, pare, by make.
By
make.
By make.
Kung American car or
European.
car.
Okay. Guys, Sir Manny, hindi pa ako nakapag-bless.
Yes!
Sir Jess. Sir Ken, good morning. Sir, morning po. Sir, very nice po yung kotse niyo. Really admire it. Maganda. Okay, papunta na tayo sa Circuit Makati. So magko-convoy na. At yan. Grabe. Grabe, gaganda oh. Ang solid. And grabe. Guys, hindi matanggal yung ngiti ko sa mukha ko because seeing all these cars is like grabe, solid. Of course, Miss Cassie oh. Miss Jersey pala. Okay. Good to see you again, sir. Sir Diego, guys. See you. Man, solid. Grabe. Guys, Sir Ilyak Diaz. Good to see you again, sir. Sir Phil, oh. Man. Guys, tingnan yung tunog. Listen to that. So ito, may iwan, susunod kasi mga modelo, ito yung mga teenager nung araw kasi andun na yung mga senior, ayan. Sir Mark. Sir Mark. Of course, solid. Grabe. Grabe kung nandi. Guys, if you can only feel how I feel at the moment. Kasi seeing all these cars, grabe, sobra. It's like parang ang bata na nakakita mo yung mga Matchbox nung araw. Tapos coming to real life. Solid. And this is my old office. Shout out to DTCC Manila. Guys, we're already here at Circuit Makati, and this is the final stop of the run of DJD. And yeah, yan, so dito papasok and sir. Sir, ano lang po, pila lang.
Valvoline number 1.
It's you again. Guys, maaga to. Maagang meet to, ha.
Siyempre. Maagang meet. Basta dito. Valvoline number 1.
Valvoline number 1. Ayan, ino-organize ni Sir Neil yung pagkakasunod-sunod by age of the car. Hindi driver. Gulat ako, bumabas ko sa Matthew yun, ha.
Ano ko yun, ah?
Parang familiar yun, ha.
Sir,
Alright guys, we're here at Circuit Makati. Shout out kay Sir. Nalito na so sino mga kasama. Okay. So we're here at Circuit Makati. Eto na. This is the last ito na yung pinaka meeting place. Hi sir. Shoutout sa Resilience. Ayun, nandun yung sa likod. Sir, ano media?
wala pa kasi kapatid ko yan.
Oo nga pala. Oo nga si Sir. Kaya familiar. Hi ate. Good morning. Okay guys. This is the gentleman's drive. Shoutout to you, sir. Mainit ba?
Init eh. Dami yung pupuging kotse.
Facebook. Anong Facebook?
MJ Herrera.
Yan.
May video guys, follow MJDM USDM Garage.
Oh,
Nagabenta tayo mga mapper.
Solid ang ano nito.
Hey guys.
Solid yung ito subscribe kayo dito.
Idol yan.
Thank you. Solid,
Okay.
solid.
Ingat.
Sir MJ. And si Sir Mark. Sir Mark, good morning. Yes, Sir Darwin. Okay. So we're here. This is the almost full lineup, and sobrang solid. Of course, si Sir Alfred. Hi, Sir Alfred. Morning. Sir, nice bike. Very nice. Dream bike ko po yan. Shoutout sa ESO Films, si Miss Cassie.
Motorcycles, and it's nice to see this time we have a live section.
Guys, as always, our friends from AAP. Shoutout sa AAP.
Where I also am a member of the International Committee for Heritage Vehicles around the world. The FIA, and actually the other one is FIVA, Federation International Vehicle Ancien, FIVA, are both devoted to your segment of car ownership, which is the vintage vehicle and heritage vehicle cars. So that the motor vehicles for vintage and heritage cars get more priority as far as FIA, FIVA, and AAP are concerned. Now, I think we're here.
Ewan kung sama kami kayo, pagka 2-part na naman po ito. Kasi yung 4 parts na 150, 180. Pagka low school, talagang po sa diba? Ngayon,
And I'm also here as an account advocate. Medyo mabigat din yung pag-uusap.
automotive enthusiast at classic car collector. Old school talaga ako, kaya para sa akin sobrang naging tulong yung sa mga kotse ko. I have a total of about 6 classic cars.
Ano kagulo yan? Laki ng battery. Ang laki ng battery. Puro forma! Puro forma ka, Pino! Pare, paano naman tayo?
Guys, bye-bye. Ingat, ingat. Sir, Sir Phil. Kita alabang ka pa? Hindi na. Oo, sir. Sir Neil, thank you very much as always. Thank you, sir. Thank you. More power sa DGD. Thank you, sir. Have a great day. Okay, guys, alisan na sila. Guys, uwian na. Alright guys, Jumps TV Media, and it's really an honor and pleasure to be part of this organization and car club with, of course, Mr. Darwin Angeles of Distinguished Gentlemen Drive.
2025. Thank you, Jumps, for all the support as always. Thank you for the love, and tuloy-tuloy lang ang pagkukotse natin. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang pagluluma. Tuloy-tuloy lang din ang passion for vintage cars. See you again next year.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. God bless. Have a great day, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. So, solid event. Congratulations. Sir, thank you. See you soon, sir. Thank you po. Doon daw, sir, pag ganun po.
Kanya ng parking na.
Sir, ingat po. Thank you, sir. Thank you po. Ingat po kayo. Thank you po. Sir, ingat po. Guys, sir. Sir, thank you po. Ingat po kayo. See you po. Thank you po. Sir Diego.
Thank you,
Yeah, thank you. Ingat. Ma'am Cass. Guys, ESO Films. Follow nyo, like and subscribe. Thank you, ma'am. Congrats. Sir, ingat po. Sir, thank you, sir. Ingat po. Dito daw po eh. Sir, thank you po. Sir, thank you po. Sir, ingat po. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Oh. Sir, ingat po. See you ulit. See you, sir. Ingat po. Bye, sir. Ingat po. See you again, sir. Ingat po. Yes, thank you. Grabe. Guys, natataranta ako. Sige po. Hindi lang kayo. Oh, sir, maganda. Magkakatabi kayo. Guys, umuwi na sila. Ayoko pa umuwi because of these cars. So, grabe. Oh. Di mo. Sir Dor. Thank you, thank you. Ingat, ingat. Thank you. Kunin lang natin yung feedback ng dalawang new generation dito sa inattendan nila sa event na to.
Ano ba?
Ano masasabi mo sa event?
Hindi ko masabi kasi old school na rin to, di ba? 30 years, di ba?
Hindi, doon sa mga coaching mo.
Ay, hindi. Sa mga solid talaga.
Solid na.
Solid. Na, syempre kasi mahirap mag-maintain na doon sa sasakyan. Kasi tapos makikita mo na kasabayan mo sila kanina. Ito medyo bago-bago pa to, although 30 years na, di ba?
Pero yun, iba, no?
Pero yun, kasabayan mo smooth lang na. Pagsabayan
solid eh, no?
Makatawa, naiiwan kami.
Aling, oh, guys, follow nyo. Resilience
Then,
Media.
follow nyo,
PH.
Jones TV Media.
Thank you very much. Solid. Bago ka muna mag-compone, ano masasabi mo sa event?
For me, ang ganda ng mga classic car talaga ever since na in-love ako sa Lancer na bar type.
Yun, oh.
As far as I can see, may mga bar type na dumating. And especially yung mga Volkswagen, yun, the best.
Solid, no? Ay, wait, Paige!
Shift to speed po.
Shift to speed.
Shift to speed daw.
Shift. Ayan, old school na rin to.
This episode is brought to you by Mearshine and Coolman Essentials.